Welcome back everybody, VST here, VST Tech, and today I'm gonna play a fun game with something called Dall E Mini, which is actually a thing on the internet. So I'm gonna first share what it is, and then guys, I'm gonna do some fancy stuff with taking the best Android phones as per Android Police in 2022 and combining them with some of the best TV series, or at least the ones that I watch. But first thing first, what exactly is Dall E Mini? This is an artificial intelligence model, alright? So it uses artificial intelligence to draw some things, right? So random things, right? Or even can draw from nothing. But the idea is you just will go to a site with a prompt. I'm gonna show you, type something, and then the artificial intelligence will do its magic. Like in this case here, Lady Gaga has the Joker, which I would say looks a bit weird actually. Then also this one, Elon Musk being sued by, what was it? Being sued by a capybara. So Dall E Mini was developed by the AI artist Boris Dama and inspired by Dall E2, which is an open AI program that generates hyper-realistic art and images from a text input. Crazy. From cats meditating to robot dinosaurs fighting monster trucks in a coliseum to pictures blew everyone's minds. Look at this wise cat in the Himalayas searching for an llama. Boom, it's just blowing out my mind, guys. So there is this mini version on this, you can see it on my screen, and I've also opened Android Police searching for the best Android phones of 2022 so far. So I'm just gonna take those one. It's the S22 Ultra, the Z Fold 3, the Pixel 5a, the Z Flip 3, the Pixel 6 Pro, and I'm just going to do some random things with them. Okay, why? Just for the fun. And if you're here for the fun as well, you might want to subscribe, hit that bell icon somewhere there. The first thing I was using is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as the Spider-Man. Yeah, boy, I can tell you guys, you can really come up with some very nice design ideas just by using this. Now let's try to use the Google Pixel 5a used by a boy in Stranger Things 4. Alright, let's see. Let's see what... Google, please stop talking. Now let's just see what the interface... Oh my god, that's just annoying. Hey Google, please stop. Usually... Oh my god, I have to disconnect it, man. There it is. Alright, just... No more. Oh boy. The results are really weird and kind of creepy. So that's indeed 11 from the well-known show Stranger Things. And this is the Pixel 5a, I guess, and some of this looks kind of strange. So it really looks like the software, the AI, sorry, I know it's an AI, takes some random things from the internet and just puts them together somehow. Alright, now let's take the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, alright, so I'm just gonna put something random. Okay, like fried potato with Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Let's just see what the AI will draw for us. And there it is. I would say this one is not so creative because we have the fried potatoes, we have the Z Flip, and alright, it's just like a mixture. Okay, now I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna go with Google Pixel 6 Pro praying on top of the mountain. Alright, let's just see how well this will work, or probably not. This one I would say is a bit more interesting. So Google Pixel 6 Pro praying on a top on the mountain. I like the fact that the phone is put in place in the center of the idea because it's the phone praying, but then also the AI put a person holding the phone. So actually this is not so impressive. So let me just try something totally different, guys. I will put Darth Vader from Star Wars working in McDonald's. Alright, I know that's a lame one, but I just want to see and test how and what the AI will do. Alright, I'm a bit disappointed here. Clearly that's Darth Vader, the Dark Lord of Sith, but he's not working in McDonald's. So should I just probably put Darth Vader in McDonald's, something like this, right? Just maybe specify. This one is a bit better because we have the Lord of Sith himself, and we kind of see the McDonald's logo, so we can assume that it's in McDonald's. And also, of course, we have this in the background. So now this time I'm gonna try something totally different. Flying donkey eating an apple. All right, just on top of my mind, guys. There is no script, no rehearsal. I just do this live. Oh, this one is a nice one. Yeah, we can see that we have a donkey, we have an apple, and also on this picture here, the donkey is indeed flying. Right. The funny part, guys, you can just click on these things. You can take screenshots. Whatsoever, so it's really nice that yeah, that you're able to do so. And I'm going to do some more, right? So just for the sake of having fun, let's now use the iconic character from the Stranger Things 4th season, Vecna. So I'm just gonna put Vecna in a car. Oh yes, I expected to have the monster because Vecna is apparently a monster, but it doesn't really look as close as Vecna. But then we have a monster in a car, which I believe is still making this whole query valid. I'm gonna do one more, guys, for the fun, and this is gonna be it for this video. So I'm gonna put the link down below. Use it, have fun. I mean, it's AI, why not have some fun with AI? And I realized how this sounds just when I said it. Okay, one more search. Troublesome situation is getting resolved. Okay, let's just see. Let's just see how the AI will resolve a situation that already is causing some trouble. Okay, troublesome situation is getting resolved. All right, this was not expected, I have to tell you. You know, I think still it makes sense because here we apparently have a clash with some trains, which is kind of a troublesome situation, which I'm not sure how it is still resolved. I don't know what is this. This one is also weird. This one is also weird, but honestly, good job, guys. Go have fun, and if you like videos like this, then you're more than welcome to subscribe. Until we meet in one of my next videos, and with that said, VST over and
bye.
Bye.